Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to recover your deleted messages on Instagram. So let's start. First, open your Instagram app. Now go to your profile from bottom right corner. Now tap on three bars on top right corner and go to Settings. Now tap on Security. Now tap on Download Data. Now you have to enter your email address and then tap on Request Download. Now you have to enter your password and then tap Next on top right corner and your request will be submitted. After you have submitted the request, the Instagram team will review your request and send you a download link of your data within 2 working days. And on that download link, you will be able to access all of your messages, pictures and other informations you have saved on Instagram. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.